Good morning, this is Montse Romero and this is the Arthur Holm booth. We're demonstrating Dynamic3Reverse, which is a unique monitor totally made of aluminum. It's a solid aluminum block that we mechanize and we anodize. It has a touch screen and it has different movements. So we can raise it up, we can actually stop it at any point so we have the right angle and the right viewing to the rest of the room. We just press for a couple of seconds and you can stop it. And when the meeting is over, we can just hide it with the screen facing down. So the screen is totally protected, and this part, the upper part of the screen, can even be veneered. So it's totally matching the finish of the table. We can control it with the buttons that we have on the cover plate, or you can also control it by a REST422 or even by our Age Link, which is an app application that you can download for free from the App Store. It has a security system, so all this is a security system. So if you touch it, it will automatically stop to avoid anybody trapping the fingers, for example. And all this part has sensor, and also the upper part, the part here has sensors to avoid any kind of accidents happening. If you would like more information, please visit arthurholm.com.